What's up, everybody? It's Justin from the Justin Show. And I want to say one thing. Play my shit!
Check out my clamps, bro. My clamps. My clamps are so good. You know, bruh. You know who it is. It's your boy, pretty boy, Justin, aka Justin 2 times. And I'm here back on my older brother's account playing NBA 2K16. You know who my older brother is? It is pretty boy Fredo, man. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel download in the description, man. Oh, you see that backflip though? You see that backflip? I almost said black flip. Oh well. Oh, yeet. You guys seen that? Oh, got yeet on. You guys say I got one of my friends. Well, I'm gonna say his name anyway. His name is Josh. Josh says I have no clamps. In this video, he got proved wrong. Oh, see that pass? You see my freaking pass? Bruh. Back with the story time, bruh. I'm back with another story time. I guess it's not as funny as last time, though. Once. Oh no, this happened twice, but it's two different. What? Oh my gosh, why did I flop like that? I don't know why. Back to the story time. Once. My hair, my pretty hair, was so nappy. So nappy, bruh. So nappy. The barber shop couldn't even cut my hair. That's how nappy it was. They got to comb it out for about like 30 minutes. That was freaking embarrassing, bruh. That was embarrassing. You see my teammate? Oh. Gotti. But still, can you imagine my hair being freaking that nappy? That nappy, bruh. That nappy. Oh my god. I could, if I put my finger down in it, it will break it off. That's how nappy it is. Let that beat drop. And yeah, y'all. Okay, that's done with my story time. Oh, let that beat drop. Yeet. Oh, no. Yeah, I got clamps. What? Okay, guys, enjoy the video. I'll stop talking.